good morning and welcome back to the next Celica video of my 1991 Toyota Celica GT, and we're going to get some more stuff fixed. So, if you remember in the last episode, I got the sunroof working. I've now buttoned it all up and it works as it should. Just give it a bit of white grease. It's only a bit slow because it's just running on battery, but there we go, it's all working. Like I said, it's all buttoned up. I'm happy with that. And I thought I'd get back to ignition timing now. I've already started taking stuff. I've took the airbox off and the inlet pipe, and I was able to get to that top bolt in the dizzy, so that's a bit of a breakthrough. So I should be able to adjust the ignition timing. I've got the wire shorted the terminals, so I can set the ignition timing. So, but I thought what I'd do was I was trying to get the idle, and it's too high. So what I'm going to do is I'll take off his throttle body, see if I can give it a good clean. I've got a brake cleaner and carburetor cleaner, so should be able to do something with that. Get that throttle body off and we'll give it a clean. I've disconnected everything. There's a couple of plugs. I might need to disconnect that one, but it's held on by 412mm bolts. So just shove some extensions on my ratchet and we'll get this unbolted and we'll then give it a clean. So need to go back in right order. Need to get this another hose to come off. Right, finish off camera. Bit of a struggle with that last hose, but I've got the throttle body off, so let's give it a good clean. So what I need to do is clean all that inside. You see where throttle is. I don't know if there's sometimes a little vent hole. I can't see one. There is one like there's on Mark IV Astras. So we'll hit this with brake cleaner. See how much we can get off. So I'll just give it a good blast. No, you can't see that well from this angle. You can see it's starting to look better already. Looking good so far. Time to do this side. Ideally I should be using shop towels, but kitchen roll from local supermarket is cheaper. Does the job just as well. Let's have a look. Okay, well, it's got most of it off, so what I'll do is I'll switch to the carburetor cleaner. Let's see if I can get it any clean, because the brake cleaner does get most of it off, but carburetor cleaner gets everything a bit cleaner, more suited to throttle bodies, obviously in carburetors. More kitchen roll, give it a wipe. Right, I think that's looking a lot better than before. I don't know if you can see it. It's definitely looking cleaner. And hopefully it should run better, so we'll get this refitted on the car. Okay, I've buttoned everything up. Let's see if it'll see if it's going to run any better. What have I done wrong? Yeah, I forgot to connect breather or so. Let's try again. Well, we're running. Better or not, I don't know. Not going to be any worse. Idling's a bit low, so we'll adjust the idle on this. Let's see where we are. Oh, yeah, we are a bit low, just about 700 RPM. So we'll adjust the idle. It should be about 850 for this engine. This is a 3 GSE engine, so about 850 would be right. So we'll adjust the idle, and we can start setting the ignition timing. I've got the ignition timing set to 10 degrees. I just pull the wire out. Still running a bit fast, but let's just do one thing at a time. So the ignition timing is now spot on, and I think the road test will be in order. Unfortunately, the test drive wasn't a success. It was still the same as before, just losing power between 1000 and 2000 RPM. The idling's a bit high, but that says we're just dealing with one thing at a time. I think next thing I need to do will be to replace the fuel filter. So I don't know if I'm going to do that in this video or I'll leave it for another video. I'm going to wrap it up for this particular video. So I got the sunroof buttoned up, the throttle body cleaned, and ignition timing set. And it's not driving any better. So at least I can eliminate the ignition system now. I know that's 100%. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and click that notification bell. And as ever, thanks for watching. And that's it there.